Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account access. Log in on a trusted device. Once in, make sure you have the phone number, email, or recovery codes tied to the account. These are essential. If prompted for a code, choose the option that says I don't have my phone or use recovery codes. You're doing this now to reach the next stage. It prevents lockout and proves control. Make sure saved passwords autofill is off when trying alternate verification so you see each prompt clearly. Once done with initial checks, choose alternate verification paths inside security settings. Use an authentication app if you previously set one up. Open the app and enter the 6-digit code immediately. Codes rotate, so be quick. If you saved recovery codes, enter one now. They are one-time use. Make sure to check the linked email for codes or use trusted contacts to request a security code. Follow the on-screen instructions and paste codes without extra spaces. This sequence restores access without resetting your account. You're at the final stage. Once you regain access, immediately update two-factor settings. Add a new authenticator app, confirm a current phone number, and download a fresh set of recovery codes. Store them in a secure place. Also enable a backup email and reselect trusted contacts so future issues are simpler. If this fails, use Facebook's identity verification flow. Submit a government ID or requested documents exactly as prompted. That extra step proves identity and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.